Hello. So after a year of being in storage, I'm gonna use my bike for the first time. I did notice that the tires are flat. I never used this bike. I bought it, and last summer, I think it was towards the winter, and I had planned to go out and do some exercise, but I never got to it. It was brand new, so I just gotta put some air, and then I'll be ready. So that's it. Okay. Let's try it. Yeah, I gotta learn how to shift. This is pretty hard, but I got it. It's working. So I want to cut this video a little bit because I want to show you. I don't know if you can hear the buzzing, but there's a beehive being built, not right above me, but towards this side. Maybe about it's about 10 feet high, but I'll show you how it looks. Isn't that interesting? I gotta make a time lapse of the bees building the hive. One thing before I forget, I won't be wearing this helmet. Does it look that big? Because it sure feels like it. Likewise, I never used it, and it's got a light. I'm not gonna be riding at night, but so got the same color as the bicycle. I need some sunglasses. I'm in Long Beach, so we're gonna go for a bike ride. We're gonna go try out the bike. So let's get to this. Perfect. So the place that I'm at, I'm in the Long Beach area, right in front of the Long Beach Arena, and this place is pretty cool. It doesn't feel as hot today. I found a pretty cool place. We might come here tomorrow with the family and hang out at the beach. It looks pretty empty, and the water it's not cold, so it's pretty good. See a lot of cool places there. Queen Mary, it's back there. So I'm heading back already. I've been here for about an hour and a half. Doesn't feel like it. back here later on. I'm definitely coming back tomorrow. So, hopefully you can hear me. I'm waiting on a mic from Amazon. So hopefully I get that soon so we can get some good audio. Okay, so I had a little bit of a problem opening that door. So that's it. I guess that's gonna be it for this video. So I hope you enjoy as much as I did. It was pretty fun. So I gotta put everything back in place. I'm not even gonna unload my bikes from my car. So let me know what you think.